My name is Eileen Ryan. I'm an executive recruiter and a job search strategist with Pounding Pavement 101. I am here today with my superstar client, Alex, who just landed his dream job in 4 weeks. 4 weeks, Alex?
4 weeks, yes. Yeah, 4 weeks.
Fantastic. So please introduce yourself and where you went to school and then we'll continue on.
Yeah, I'm Alex. I went to school at the College of Virginia, and let me see, I graduated about a year ago.
So it was time to get serious about the job search.
Yes, for sure. I wanted to really get serious about the job search. I've been taking I had like some menial jobs here and there, an internship, but nothing long term. And I really wanted to take something long term to get work experience and really get into the working world for sure now.
And you landed a job as a paralegal, which is phenomenal because your future, it might be in law, might not, but that is
Yes,
the
yeah.
pathway that we've
That's what
discussed for
I'm
you.
looking towards. Yeah.
So we enrolled you in the program. Your parents had reached out to me.
Mhm.
How did this differ? Because we started working on personal branding. How did this program differ than your college career services department and what they were offering?
Oh, I think they're on a very giant basis. They can't really help you specialize and they can't really help you with individual problems. So this program really helped consolidate everything. And you could really put everything on yourself. It's very focused, very streamlined. So I didn't really have to worry about the issues that usually plague me when I go to these college recruiters, or not college recruiters, but these college helpers. I don't know what the term is, I forgot. But
Recruiters.
yes. But yes, no, it was great.
Yeah, I mean, it's fascinating to me because look, the college career services departments, they have a hard job. They have to treat every student equally. But if you're in the open job market, you can look better than everyone else. And I remember the first day of college, they said, look to your right, look to your left. One of you won't be there when you graduate. That did happen to me.
That's a
But the
tough
other
college.
But the other person is your competition when you're applying for jobs. And
Mm.
that's what everyone doesn't realize. So you need to be better than everyone else. So we worked on personal branding for you. We worked on your resume. We worked on LinkedIn profiles and cover letters. Obviously, it got you through because you landed
Hmm.
your job in 4 weeks. Did you feel prepared after the interview prep piece in this?
Yeah, I felt pretty prepared. I think I knew all these questions. I think even there were I don't know if I've ever even mentioned this to you, but they had like oddball questions that were funny.
Mm-hmm.
That were like I was like you listed some of these oddball questions and I was like I don't know if they'd ask these. And then they were like, "Ah, can you make a piece of art using a matchbox and a spoon?" And I was like, What does that have to do with the job?" But I worked it out. It was we had gone through it, so it wasn't anything crazy or anything new. No, I felt pretty prepared. Yeah.
So yeah, you were confident going in because I prepared you for anything and everything that was going to be thrown at you. And obviously you got the job. But did having a strategic job searching plan in place help keep you focused in that job search?
Yeah, I definitely think it did. I mean, having a like at least just one job that I was working towards and having like a schedule that I was following um entirely like I did my best. I had some lax days, but no, I mean it definitely helped me like get to where I'm at right now. I think if I didn't have the structure, it would have taken way longer, you know. Yeah.
Well, that's why the program's working because I brought everything together, all that information from the recruiter, put a nice little bow on it, and just follow the methodology. So, Alex, tell everyone where you're going to be working, what you're going to be doing.
Yes, I'm working at a law firm. They do bankruptcy law. So I'm going to be working as a bankruptcy paralegal under an attorney there. It's kind of sort of it's paralegal, but like also kind of legal assistant-y. It's just I'm gonna help send out email and send out correspondences, kind of like make everything a bit neater. So when the cases actually get to the attorney, they don't have to worry about the boring stuff, maybe.
Fantastic. I know you're going to be great at it. So let me ask you, for everyone who's watching out there,
Mhm.
was the program worth it? Was it worth it to go
Yes.
through this process? Did you feel it helped you?
Yeah, I felt it helped me a lot. I mean, even just like simple stuff, like not even simple, but like I'm saying, even stuff like changing the resume and making it more like appear poppy, I think is just like very useful. And like the cover letters having some templates and stuff like that. And then like the interview prep was pretty useful. And then also just like having a schedule and having being the checkup meetings were great too, because then I feel like you kind of like talked about what's going on in the week and you know, recuperate and like discuss what next plans could be or where to apply next or something. Yeah.
Yeah, because otherwise it's a very lonely process going through this by yourself. You're not quite
True,
sure how
yes.
to adjust the sales or what's going on behind the scenes. And
Hmm.
there's a little bit of accountability in there. It's nice
Yes.
to know that someone's watching. It's amazing
Yes.
how fast things get done.
Hmm.
Alex, thank you so much for doing this. I know you're going to be phenomenal at this job, and good luck.
Thank you. Thank
My name is Eileen Ryan. I'm an executive recruiter and a job search strategist with Pounding Pavement 101.